up in here. This is the return springs for the jaw mouth.
Oh, okay.
See him?
The lower and upper?
Same deal. You're
Okay.
making sure that you got no cracks, no nothing in there.
Okay.
He's got a bunch of Teflon that's wore off in there, so we're gonna take this hitch over and get it cleaned up.
Okay.
But I'm just soaking, like he's got a bunch of thick ass grease that's come up in here.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna spray it down, kind of let it break down. We're gonna take it out there and hose it.
Okay.
Okay. All that stuff looks okay.
And then like blow it out or something?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just want to make sure that you're not seeing any cracks, any
Hairline fracture.
yeah, anything like that, anything that's obviously damaging. Okay. On these guys here.
Any of the rust on the welds or anything? All the welds are
Yeah.
looking good.
Nothing's looking crazy right now, other than just like normal wear pattern stuff.
Yeah.
So we have one of those in there.
It probably needs to be replaced.
Yeah. So we'll have to just do a warranty with them because they lifetime warranty these shocks. But yeah, that shock's leaking. Oh, can't get in the right angle. You come that way with the light. Oh, there we go. Yep.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
cool.
Yeah.